Come on. What is it, Dan?
Do you know what to do with that?
Can you show me?
Here, want me to hold your chainsaw?
Yeah.
Jessica came up all the way up with Grandma today. She's going to stay the night.
Oh, isn't that pretty?
I don't
It
want
looks
to
like
cry.
your feet are long enough.
I don't want to cry.
I'm going to ride my trike. This is the first time he's been on it.
That's a nice one.
Dan also got a chainsaw and hat from Grandma. Can you do it, Karen? Dan, come show me how the chainsaw works. Dan, how old are you? How old? 3? 3. Dan, turn around to Daddy. Whoa, Dan, face Daddy. Dan, now show me. Do it again.
What's up, you guys, baby?
Spot, come here.
Baby.
Good, Dan. You like it?
He's gonna go cut some trees.
You gonna go cut some trees down now? Ben, look at Ben in the chariot. Benjamin Robert Field, you're wonderful. Jessica, can you wave? She's gonna cut a tree down. Is he wonderful or what?
He really wanted it.
Do you hear him? He's like, oh, here he goes. This is his first tree to cut down. Okay, cut it down, Danny. I'll get it on video. Everyone step back. Just don't let it fall on the van. It's okay if it falls on the white car, just not on the van.
Dad, I saw this better. Dad, this one looks better. This one. Dad.
A little bit nervous about.
This one looks better. Dad, try this one. Ow. This is up. It's up.
Okay, cut it down, Dan. I'm watching.
Good boy. Good boy.
Dan, that's good. Just keep working at it.